Really? Someone threw their fucking iced cappuccino?
Oh, that's slick.
This is nature, Julia. Live with it, feed it, grow with it.
Nature.
Now jump into the water, Julia. You gotta live with it. You gotta drink its essence.
I wouldn't drink that water.
Yeah, I'm running.
Why do you think I'm telling Julia to?
Well, it's not just that. People probably piss in there.
Don't talk about the sewage pipes that go into here too. You getting tired yet, Julia?
No.
What was that?
I fell.
I thought you like fell into a landhole or something.
No, I twisted my ankle.
And then someone drew a smiley face with someone licking two buns. Look, you look over it from here. Tongue, eye, nose, and then two ass cheeks.
I don't have to like deep clean my shoes.
Hookah life be like.
Wait, who said that?
Nature.
You know, if you really want to get into nature, go to a fucking Indian tribe and see their fucking hookahs. They're not even hookahs, it's a fucking smoke shack.
Right? Turn that off so we don't waste battery.
Look at this.
We have more Gatorade.
Try and do it through your nose.
No.
No.
Come on, suck my
Oh,
hookah.
that would hurt.
No.
Suck my hookah.
No.
Suck my hookah.
No.
Kayla, come suck my hookah.
Why?
I'm gonna get Mikey to do it.
Suck his hookah.
Suck my hookah.
You're in the camera.
Oh shit.
Hot. Oh well.
We
Got
got
one
that
more.
on video.
I got one of them to get suck my hookah. Mike, you wanna suck my hookah?
No, bitch.
I'll suck my own hookah.
It would be better if we had weed.
Once was
But
a man
I
from
can't
Nantucket
smoke weed.
with a dick so large he could suck
Same.
it. The devil is
I mean, you
grin,
can't
he
smoke
wiped
weed and drive.
chin inside of his ear was a
Well, no, I
he
can
would fuck
smoke
it.
weed and drive. I just can't smoke a lot of it. It's just since I got that call from Speedway.
Oh yeah. What, did they do drug tests?
Once was a man from Kentucky with a dick so long he could suck it. With a devilish grin, he wiped off his chin and said if his ear was a cunt, he would fuck it.
The once was a genie with a 10-foot when he went to go show the girl next door. She thought it was a snake, so she whacked me with a rig, now it's 5'4".
Okay, well, me and Tyler got it through. One of you guys have to say the next one. Unless you guys are fucking losers.
What was this?
It extends.
I see a bird. Nature.
Just suck my hookah.
Oh shit.
Just take one tiny little puff.
No.
Just one little suck.
No.
One little suck.
You should always go to a fucking park and fucking sell at parks.
Nah, nah, nah. Nature.
Well, okay.
Alright, well.
Who tried to fix this shit? Because whoever did, he's a fucking failure.
Don't fall in with my hookah. You can fall in, just not with my hookah.
Nature, nature,
Well, I'm holding
nature.
fucking hookah unless you want to hold it.
No, I'm good.
I can't squeeze it.
It's Brittany, bitch.
See if you can find a fishy.
No, not in these waters.
Not in these
Not in
waters.
these waters. There's no fish in these waters.
They're all fucking dead. They all died.
It's not a fish.
Beavers here. Beavers go
Not
where they're
fish.
fucking brave.
This is not what's wrong at all. You guys can go walking trails.
You want the fucking midget. It looked like you were fucking...
Hey, who's the midget
You're
here?
all midgets compared to me.
Yeah, no shit.
And you're trying to
Baby.
fuck a midget and be
Look at me.
trying to polish a cool
Hey.
freaking shoe.
Oh. I fell earlier back there and I like twisted my ankle and it really hurt.
Aw.
Dude, look at this. This is a perfect height.
We can make fire.
Should bring a bottle of gasoline.
I don't need gasoline, nigga.
You don't need gasoline.
Yeah, but it's easier with gas.
You need a magnifying glass.
It is easier with gas, but We got a real.
Remember we burned the fucking name to the little
Yeah.
part? And then we fixed it. Do it? No.
I'll take your hookah with me. And the trail got really sketchy really quick.
No. Are you right?
I'm positive.
Is it that cold?
Oh, my feet are frozen!
We're gonna get hypothermia.
Yeah, we are.
Fuck it, I'm getting in now.
Get in!
Oh.
Man up!
That's cold. Oh god, my pants like